Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 5, Digital Modulation Schema. So the question is explain 1's and 2's complement method with example. So first understand what is 1's complement. 1's complement of binary numbers is obtained by changing 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So this is solution 1's complement. We can write it as 1's complement of a binary number is obtained by changing 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Means simply invert all the bits, or we can say that invert all bits. Now let's take an example for the better understanding for 1's complement. So this is our example 1 0 1 0 1 0. So now we have to find the 1's complement of this question. So what we have to do, we have to invert all the bits. So 1 0 1 0 1 0. This convert 1 into 0, 0 into 1, like that 1 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into 0, and 0 into 1. So now what is our 1's complement? So 1's complement, which is equals to 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is our 1's complement. Now we have to explain the 2's complement. So this is our 1's complement, this is our 2's complement. So what is the definition of 2's complement? So 2's complement is obtained by taking 1's complement and after that adding 1 to the result. It means 2's complement is obtained by first taking 1's complement and after that adding 1 to the result. So let's take an example for the better understanding. Example. So 1 0 1 0 1 0. Now we have to find the 2's complement of this given problem. So what is our first step? To find the 1's complement. So our step 1 is first complement. So how can we find the first complement, which is nothing but change the bit or invert the bit. So 1 0 1 0 1 0. This convert 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is our 1's complement. Now what we have to do? We have to add 1 to the result. So this is our result. Now add 1 to this bit. So 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is our 1's complement. Now we have to add 1. 0 1 0 1 0 1 plus 1. It become 0 1 0 1 1 0. So this is nothing but our 2's complement. So our 2's complement equals to 0 1 0 1 1 0. This is our final answer. Like that you have to solve in the examination step by step to get the full marks. If you want these handwritten notes, I will provide you on my Telegram channel. Link is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.